stocking up on essentials and creating a festive atmosphere, you'll be well prepared to cook up a storm and host memorable gatherings. Hello there, welcome to Home Mystics. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Well, the Christmas season is a time of joy, of love, and delicious food. So the kitchen has got to be on point. As the heart of the home, the kitchen plays a central role in creating festive meals and memories. Preparing your kitchen for the Christmas season will not only make cooking and baking a lot more fun, but it would also ensure that you're ready to host your family and your friends with ease. We all know that the kitchen is a place where people love to gather at every birthday party or at every party generally at home. People like to hang out in the kitchen, and I think it's really nice to set it up in a way that it's a comfortable place as well, that it kind of gives that Christmassy feel as well. Today we'll explore some practical tips to help you get your kitchen in tip-top shape for the holiday festivities. But before I go any further, beloved, I need you to tap on that subscribe button because that will help me and my channel to grow tremendously and keep coming back with valuable content to help you make, master, and maintain your happy holistic home. Share this channel with friends and family because they too deserve to have a happy home. Thank you so much. So, where do we begin? The first piece of advice that I'd like to give you is that you should stock up on essentials to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients and supplies for your holiday recipes. Make a list of the ingredients you'll need for your favorite dishes and stock up in advance. Don't forget to check your spice rack and baking supplies to ensure that they're well stocked. Having everything on hand will save you from the last minute rushing up and down trips to the grocery store, and they'll also allow you to focus on the joy of cooking and baking. The next thing that I would advise you to do is to check your appliances and the tools that you use in the kitchen, because you might want to consider upgrading one or two of them. Like kitchen tools and appliances get used quite a lot, and we never really take the time to check and see how or if they function well or not. It's just when we're ready to use them, then we see that they're not working, and that's really annoying. Okay, that will make your holiday cooking experience a lot smoother if you take care of things in advance. Invest in quality knives. There's nothing worse than trying to cut a piece of steak with a knife that just does not cut. Okay, mixing bowls, maybe baking sheets to make food preparation a breeze. If you've been eyeing a new kitchen gadget the past couple of months, maybe a stand mixer or an instant pot, you might want to be this might be the perfect time for you to go and treat yourself. Well, these things can help save time and a lot of effort in the kitchen, allowing you to enjoy the festivities with your loved ones without that extra stress, okay? The next thing you might want to do is to create a festive atmosphere. A lot of times we like to create the Christmassy feel in our living rooms or in the entrance. People even do it outside and forget the kitchen. But, we can transform your kitchen into a winter wonderland by adding some festive touches. Hang a wreath on the kitchen door, place a centerpiece in the dining table, or decorate the windowsill with twinkling stars and lights, and consider using holiday-themed towels or oven mittens and tablecloths to add a touch of Christmas feel, a Christmas cheer to your kitchen. Remember, that's where you and your family and your friends are going to be spending a lot of time. Maybe you should also get your playlist ready. Playing some holiday music in the background will really help to enhance the festive atmosphere and make cooking a joyful experience. I've got a Christmas playlist on Spotify. Maybe you might want to go and check it. The link will be down below. Sit down and plan your Christmas menu in advance. Decide on the main course, the side dishes, the desserts, and the beverages that you want to serve. That's one thing that we tend to forget sometimes. We don't really think about what drinks we want to serve our guests when they come over. So make sure you plan that in advance. Consider any dietary restrictions or preferences of your guests and plan accordingly. Make a shopping list based on your menu plan and the beverages you plan to serve, ensuring you have all the ingredients you need. Planning ahead will not only save you time and stress, but it will also allow you to enjoy the process of creating the delicious holiday feast in peace. Okay? The next thing you might want to do is to get creative with leftovers. Think about what you can do with the things that you're cooking. I'm not saying your guests shouldn't eat all they can eat, but I'm saying because a lot of times we usually have food left over. And during the holiday season, that's like when it happens. They always bring leftovers, okay? And it's a great opportunity to get creative in the kitchen. So plan ahead for leftover meals by having some recipe or some ideas of what you might make with your leftovers, from turkey sandwiches to casseroles, soups, and stews. There are countless ways to transform leftovers into delicious meals. Having a plan of leftovers will help minimize food waste and allow you to enjoy the fruits of your labor for days to come. Next up, give your kitchen a thorough, deep clean. It wouldn't be me if I didn't say that, right? Scrub the countertops, the cabinets, and the appliances to remove any accumulated dirt and grime. Pay special attention to the oven and the stoves, right? And the stovetops. They will likely see a lot of action during the holiday season. I feel like I need to share these 5 decluttering steps with you just in case you find time to get some work done. They will make your Christmas season a breeze. Here we go. Keep your countertops as clear as possible by only keeping essential items out. Store small appliances, utensils, and other items in cabinets or in drawers when they're not in use. This will create a clean and spacious work area that I'm sure you're going to need. Number 2, set some time aside to declutter. As I said a few minutes ago, declutter your kitchen best as you can. Go through your cabinets, pantry, and the refrigerator to remove expired, unused items. Donate or discard items that you no longer need to use. Regular decluttering prevents items from accumulating and taking up unnecessary space, okay? I know this is not something you want to do shortly before Christmas because you have so many other things to do, but it could help to save the vibe, the mood during Christmas. Have your cleaning bag or caddy or cleaning appliances and rugs prepared and ready for anyone to use, because Christmas time we have spills, we have things that need to be taken care of, and just so that you don't have to do everything yourself, prepare these things in advance so your guests and your family can give you a hand and help you out with these things. And if they know where things are, it would make it a lot more easy for them to go and help you, right? So make sure you make it easy for them. Number 4, listen to this 1 in, 1 out rule. Whenever you bring a new item into your kitchen, make it a habit to remove an older, unused item. And I'm referring to the tip that I gave earlier, the one about going out and getting appliances and gadgets that work well. Yes. Okay, if you go out and get a set of knives, because a set of knives is just not one knife, it's usually like maybe 8 or 10 of them. I don't know how many are in that box, but if you get a set of knives, make sure that you get rid of the old ones, donate them, sell them. I have no idea what you plan on doing with them, but just make sure you don't have all 20, 30 knives in your kitchen, because you only have 2 hands. You do not need that many knives. So get it into the habit of that. Make it a habit to remove an older, unused item when you bring a new one in. This helps to maintain a balance and prevents your kitchen from becoming overwhelmed with unnecessary items. Lastly, number 5, clean as you go. That's the top tip of the day. Develop the habit of cleaning up as you cook after each meal. Wash the dishes, wipe down the countertops, and put away ingredients and utensils as you go. This will prevent dishes from piling up, and it keeps your kitchen clean and decluttered, clutter-free. Your countertops will be nice and smooth. So preparing your kitchen for the Christmas season is an essential step to ensuring a smooth and enjoyable holiday experience. By deep cleaning, organizing, stocking up on essentials, and creating a festive atmosphere, you'll be well prepared to cook up a storm and host memorable gatherings. Remember, the most important ingredient in any holiday meal is love. So enjoy the process and savor the moments spent with family and friends in your beautiful, prepared kitchen. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happy home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.